All right, we're gonna get into this white premium manual and see if this is the car. The fastest of the bunch, the most grip. We've got the 18-inch Michelin Pilot Sport 4s. We're gonna turn everything off. We've got oil temp gauges, coolant temp gauges, a nice light, easy clutch. We're even gonna turn the air conditioning off for more power. Much more grip in this car. Until you get to that ragged edge. You don't need to downshift as much in these new 8.6s. It has the torque to pull you out of a corner. Woo, almost 100 miles an hour there. Brake pedal feels awesome. Fade all day, going around the track. You can still have fun in this premium with the 18s. Just your grip limits and your speeds are just a bit higher. It's a much quicker car, much more capable platform than the previous generation 8.6. It's pretty amazing seeing the difference. So predictable at the limit. Is still here, the personality is still here. I think it's lost a little bit of feel, a little bit of that raw nature. I don't like the way it sounds, but I think that's something that you can definitely disable if you wanted to. There isn't a menu switch for that to disable the active sound, but it is its own speaker, so you can go in and probably just disconnect it. All right, so final thoughts on the new 8.6 on track. How do we feel about this car? Well, I gotta be honest. I prefer the way the old car feels, but I like the way this car drives. The handling is better. The power is, this is finally a linear torque curve. And that's probably my favorite thing about this. It's just a really nice overall package. Definitely not as maybe engaging as the last car was, but it's a nicer place to be. It's an evolution here that you would kind of expect. You know, it's gone a little bit sharper, a little bit more immediate. All of the controls are more direct. The shifter feels a little bit more positive and a little bit quicker, a little bit shorter. The steering, the turn-in, the grip, the suspension tuning. Oh man, even comparing the old car with the Michelin Primacies and a new car with Michelin Primacies, same tire, the grip between those two cars was just immense. Pretty impressive to see that that's just suspension tuning, that's just chassis stiffening, a much more capable platform here. So anyway guys, those are some track driving impressions on the new 8.6. We're gonna do full course later on this afternoon. We'll get some more thoughts on this car, let you guys know what it's like, but hopefully we might even be able to get a chance to get on the street. This is mostly a track driving event today, so, you know, that's okay. Nothing wrong with track driving. I think I definitely prefer the look of the GR86 over the Subaru BRZ. The only thing though is every time I've said GR86 to someone, they've said, huh? What is that? I'm like, it's the Toyota version of the BRZ. Oh, okay, I got it. So, they gotta do some marketing and really get the GR brand kind of a better identity than what it has right now. Because I don't think a lot of people really know what it is or what it means. Otherwise though, this is a great car. You can't go wrong. I mean, same philosophy as the last FRS 8.6 BRZ. Really not a whole lot has changed. This is a phenomenal platform, and lightweight, small, nimble. It's got some power now. You can have some fun on this thing. It'll teach you good rear-wheel drive dynamics, and it's also a practical enough sports car to be your daily. All right, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you later.